Hi, in this video I would like to teach you how to install MIjia Car Air Purifier. After the first video, I have unboxing the car air purifier. Now it's time to install it in the car back headrest. Basically, I already have strapped the device into the soft strap, as you can see here, and then the airflow, it should be facing upward. The power button, it should be facing to the real passenger, as you might notice whether this is operational or not operation. Okay, now let's install it. This is the safety pin that you should put it in here. My car do have a tonneau cover because it's a SUV. Now if I put it here, it's quite hard for me to take off my tonneau cover. Either I will do it this way. At the back of my car, I will pull this tonneau cover out, or just leave it here. Never mind, I'll just leave it there. Now let's install the air purifier. Just strap it, clip it, that's done. There is a safety pin here. I'm not sure whether you can have a clear look or not. There's a safety pin. Just plug inside here like this, and then the another side also as well. Just put it out. Something like this. Now let's tighten it up. Is unclear due to some backlight. Okay, this went much more better. Now I will put this me provided soft leather casing, the cover. Now let's tighten it up. Okay, now let's install the power cable. It's quite long. The socket is there. Since my car is an sorry for that. My car do come with a power socket at the boot space area. I might as well install it at the back here or at my center armrest here. It's located in here. Now, for this installation, I will just plug in anywhere to get the power on. Just use the center armrest. Now there's a power. Okay. The air purifier is turning on. Have a look. It looks like it is running. This is amber orange light. If the air is clean enough, it will showing the green light. From the instruction manual, it says SUV will take around 3 to 5 minutes to clean out the whole cabin space air. Now let's looks like my car is quite clean a bit. Now it's already turning to green light, meaning the air quality is good. Now let's install the MIjia apps. I'm using Huawei phone, Android based, Play Store. Let's do it this way. You have to install the Mi Home apps, which is this is the one. I have installed it. Open. Now, for this version, you have to use profile. You have to log in, sign in, create a user account, log in. You can use your email address or your phone number. Settings. There is a region. English. The region you have to choose is mainland China. You can choose other, but only mainland China will display the car MIjia Air Purifier device list in the device list. Okay, now let's add the device. Go to Mi Home, add device. It will locate the nearest Mi device by turning on your Bluetooth and also the location information, I mean the GPS. It will locate the nearest. From here, cancel. it seems that it has locate the car MIjia Air Purifier, or either you can add manually. Choose car carrier device and scroll. There's a MIjia Car Air Purifier. This is MIjia Car Air, which searching for nearby Bluetooth. Make sure your Bluetooth connection is device connected, verify successfully, device bound. Okay, I will say use now. Getting information from the device. Okay. It's connecting, it's being good, means the air. Sorry. Good. You may search using, set the device using manual mode. This is silent. There are three level of setting: silent, standard, and this is fast. It's actually turning the blow speed sound, or either you can set it auto. Normally I just put it auto. From here you may notice my car battery. They're showing car battery voltage, the out car air, which is outside, just for reference. Out car comfort, which means it's outside, very hot, and currently showing 40 degrees on my dashboard. 40 degrees. Okay. Filter remaining 100%. Running for, also showing the running hour. What else? Oh yeah, you can check for firmware update if there is any. I've done the update previously after I purchased the device. Now let's try out the manual mode. Manual mode. Okay, this is silent. Silent. If I press to standard, the fan speed blow. There's some loud sound. If I press to fast, it will even produce more sound, more loud sound. I'm not sure whether you can hear it clearly or not, but this is their features. You click again, it will go to silent. Now I will just use auto. Connecting, detecting, good. Now I just put standby. Oh, the device is in standby mode. Either I have to switch it on here or just leave it auto. I'll put start up. Now the device is showing some amber orange light, which means it start doing the filtering job. Let's maybe it will probably take about a minute or two for this clean car. Okay, now it's already turned green, meaning the car filtration is working now. And showing good as a reference. Now you may click it here to buy, click it to buy, or select the filter will replace. There's two options. This is the standard one. This is the carbon for charcoal. I have never tried click it by here because I'm just starting to use this. Let's see. Okay, that's all for my video. Thank you. Bye.